Welcome back to the channel, guys. For this short review, we're going to be checking out the 9005 HB3 AUXITO LED lights. These are the M3S series, and on the back of it, the quick specs. So these are 6500 K color temperature. So they have like a nice white color to it, mostly bluish. Not a true white, but more on the bluer side, kind of like a laser look to it. But these have the aluminum finish to it, and I'll open it up right now so you can see the inside of it. But these are phenomenal. These are my third or fourth set of AUXITO lights that I've ever used. So my friend is about to get here. We're gonna check it out. He installed these on his car, and I will go for a night drive to show you how these look at night. So the HB3 9005 AUXITO light bulbs, these are 24,000 lumens and 120 watt. So 120 watts of power. That's a lot of light power for this this light bulb. So once we install these, then we'll go ahead and do a little night drive just to show you the overall performance of these lights. And they're fan cooled as well. As you can see in the back right there, they have a little fan on it. And again, these are that aviation aluminum finish to it, so they're really weighty. They feel have a lot of weight to it, a lot of heft, and the overall material, it's really good. The quality of it, it's top notch. So I can't wait to install these, and we'll see how they perform. All right, so we do have my friend here. He's got a Chrysler 300. So we're gonna be installing these AUXITO HB3 9005s on his car. That's the bulb number. That's what they look like. And those go right over here on this side of the car. So I just popped the OEM plug out, or they're literally just plug and play. So pop these out and then unscrew the OEM bulb. These are the OEMs versus the AUXITOs that we're installing now. Big difference. So one's a halogen, this one's LEDs, super bright. So we're gonna go ahead and toss those over there. And then you're gonna plug this bulb onto the socket right here, or the plug. And then hear a click, and that's how you know it's plugged in play. And again, these are plug and play. Like I said, air cooled, they're aluminum, and they're super bright. Then you just go ahead and tuck it back into the headlight housing. It's right here on side, and then you just fit into the grooves and then turn it, and everything should be good. And there we go, have those installed. Now I'm just gonna have the car turned on, and we're gonna do a comparison between the factory halogens on this side, on the driver's side. So we didn't change these out yet. And then we're gonna compare the AUXITOs. Dang, the difference is crazy. Halogens, the AUXITO 6500K LEDs, 24,000 lumens, 120 watts. Those are a killer. And you can probably see that bluish look to it. They're super white. So that's the difference. Look at that. Let me show you on the wall. So you have the AUXITOs on the passenger side, and then those halogens on the driver's side. Big difference. So let's just go ahead and tackle the driver's side now. All right, so we got the driver's side right now. So we popped it out. This is the halogens again, and this is what the plug looks like, the socket. The orange rubber grommet on there. So we have AUXITOs right here. Real metal. Just gonna attach it to it. You see here the click. And then you know it's on there. Just like that. You just go ahead and put it back into the housing. And as you can see, we had to take the entire air filter system out on this this Chrysler, because the headlight was like so close to the the filter, so we had to take everything out. And so we got the AUXITO HB3s in there. It's all sealed. I'll show you. So there you go. And now we're just gonna put all the other pieces back on. Now we're gonna put the filter back together, and then we'll go for a little test drive to see how these look. All right, so those are the lights off the AUXITO HB3 9005s that we just installed in the car. And if we go and flip them on, so those are your low beams, just drive in. See, they're pretty bright. And if we go and hit the high beams, oh yeah, they light up a mile. Those are pretty bright. Have a high beam to it as well. You can see right there. So again, those are just the low beams, high beams. And there's your high beams. So they have a really good height to it. From here, I could spot the traffic sign, and those illuminate really bright on the high beams. So yeah, we're just gonna drive around the block one more time to show you these lights, and then we should be done. Let's go. Now look at the illumination, the coverage of the lights actually when you turn. I do notice that they form the beams towards the center of the vehicle as well. So that's actually interesting. So those are the high beams. You can see the roof of the houses a block over just on the high beams. Switch them to lows. Those are your low beams. You can see the difference. Highs. Dang, they're insanely bright. And that's just a look on these lights from the outside. They're pure white, 6500K in color. 24,000 lumens. Insanely bright. So those are the high beams, low beams, lows, yeah. So the highs and lows, they're obviously the way the car is designed. They have one beam or one housing for both the high and low beams, and they're switchable. So that's why they look that way. But these are insanely bright. I really recommend them. So if you guys want some of these HB3s or any type of LED lighting for your vehicles, they're direct plug and play. So if you want to grab some for your vehicle, just go ahead and use a link below the video or in the description and grab yourself some, and then use my code as well for a discount off these AUXITO products. If you guys are actually interested in getting some full LEDs for your vehicle, AUXITO offers more than just high and low beams. They have interior lights, they have reverse lights, tail lights. So go ahead and just grab yourself some super bright lights. So go ahead and grab yourself some from the website and use my code to get a percentage off your order. And again, these are just the HB3s that I put on this car. So if you have a Chrysler as well, this is basically the specification that you need for your specific vehicle, the type of light bulb. So the 9005 HB3s, and these are also other light bulbs that they offer in an LED format and HID format for your vehicle. So again, thanks for watching the video. Appreciate it. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.